Welcome to the TTU University's Technician Certification course. In this module, we will cover chain installation and sizing on our trikes. It might seem obvious, but a recumbent trike uses a lot more chain than an upright bicycle. In fact, the typical trike uses anywhere from 2.5 to 3 normal chain lengths. This is an overview of the chain installation process. Chain routings for specific trikes or drivetrains will be detailed in the platform-specific modules. Be sure that all drivetrain components and chain routing systems like idlers or chain tubes are installed on the trike. Unpack the chain and work out any twists or kinks. We recommend starting at the front of the trike and working backwards through the drivetrain. Rest the chain on the smallest chain ring and pass the chain through the front derailleur cage if present, and then through the idlers or the chain tubes. Wrap the chain around the smallest cog and route through the derailleur or chain tensioner if present. Working towards the front, pass the chain through the idlers or chain tubes. Before sizing can begin, check for twists in the chain that may be hidden by the chain tubes. If a chain can be twisted a half turn clockwise and counterclockwise when viewed from the front, it is free of any twists. When sizing chains on our trikes, we recommend routing the chain through the entire drivetrain and setting the chain in the smallest rear cog and the smallest chain ring. Internally geared trikes use a slightly modified chain sizing process, so refer to the model-specific modules for more information. Locate the quick link in the parts box before cutting or sizing the chain. Pull the chain together until a slight bit of tension is achieved at the guide pulleys of the rear derailleur. Verify that the return part of the chain does not contact the chain running through the upper guide pulley of the derailleur or tensioner. Identify the closest chain length that achieves the desired tension and cut with a chain tool. Install the quick link and snap it into place. Rotate the chain so that the quick link is behind the front chain rings. Hold the rear wheel in place and apply torque to the crank arms. Shift the chain into the biggest chain ring and shift towards the largest cassette cogs to check that the drivetrain does not bind due to improper chain length. If a trike is used for demos or test rides, always check the chain length before sending a customer out on the ride. To quickly check chain size, shift the trike to the big chain ring and the smallest cog and check that the derailleur cage is roughly perpendicular to the ground. Anytime the boom is moved, the chain must be resized accordingly. If the boom is moved to a larger size, chain links must be added and vice versa. You can use the same process for chain sizing as already described, but be prepared to add links and even another quick link if necessary. To make the sizing process easier, we offer the Chain Gobbler 2 for some TTU platforms. This system allows for boom adjustment without adding or removing chain links.